This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can manage the arm unfolding or folding for automatic power on or power off respectively. So first let's get some theory in. So this feature makes it so that if you unfold the arms of the drone, it automatically powers itself on. And if you fold the arms back, the drone will automatically power off. As simple as that. Just well, quality of life option if anything. Anyway, in order to manage it, enable or disable it, you will need to first enter the Fly interface, of course, then go into settings. Inside settings, select the safety category, scroll down and look for the unfold arm to power on and fold arm to power off options. So once enabled or disabled, they do precisely what is written here. So if this option is enabled, the drone will automatically power on if you unfold the arms, and this and with second option enabled, it's the same but in reverse. Should you fold the arms back into their stationary default position, the drone will automatically switch itself off. That's how you can manage this feature. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.